Hey guys, hey, they don't know if they're home. They're always home, so you might want to check.
It was going like this when I got here. There's no way I could go check the house. How far do you want me to evacuate? Just right there.
What's that? Well, we'll find out.
You need to go inside.
Well, I'm not. I don't live here. I know. I'm not living here. I just came in the truck. I just thought I live next door.
Okay.
But no, I won't. I know it. I'll be careful. Yeah.
If you talk to the next house, tell them to get out. Was it just one singer or were there a couple small ones?
No, a big boom. Like, I thought
Can you get that on camera real quick?
Watch the overspray. We may get some.
Evan Gammage, spelling E-V-A-N-G-A-M-M-A-G-E, Public Information Officer, Phoenix Fire Department.
Let's talk about this house. You said there had been an explosion.
Copy. Yeah, our firefighters were dispatched early this morning after reports of hearing an explosion in the area and a resulting fire coming from a garage on the street on a single-story home. Once our firefighters arrived on scene, they did find a heavy volume of fire coming from the garage and a car in the garage. The fire did make its way into the attic space, so it did span out through the home. Our firefighters were able to make a quick attack through the garage, being able to suppress that fire, then obviously put out the fire that expanded into the attic space. Fortunately, because of the quick action of our firefighters on scene, we were able to prevent the fire from expanding to any of the surrounding homes. At this time, we're not sure as far as what started this fire, what caused the explosion. Our fire investigators are responding on scene right now to help us out with figuring out why this started today. Crisis response units are on scene, but we have not been able to locate the homeowner thus far. We've contacted the HOA in order to do so. But fortunately, thus far, we have not found any victims inside of the homes, no reported injuries, and all of our firefighters were able to make it out of this incident safely.
Animals?
No animals thus far that we found, no victims at all.
Earlier you spoke to me and said that you found some propane canisters as well as a hybrid style vehicle. Can you talk a little bit about that and what that, at least preliminarily, could have contributed to the fire, what the possibilities are if those things do get involved?
Correct. Those were located inside of the garage space. They, some of our firefighters, again, did locate some propane tanks. I'm unsure of the size, and a hybrid vehicle. Unsure what relation that has to the fire thus far until our investigators are able to get inside and see if those are intact, what happened in this scenario. But it is a concern when those are inside of a garage, these high temperatures. They can affect our fires, and especially if there's already a fire going on. But there will be a thorough investigation to see if they played any part in this explosion and or the resulting fire today.